Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your Discord account to your Reddit account. So for that, first you have to open your Discord in a browser or app, and you have to be logged in, and also you have to be logged in your Reddit account. So after that, all you have to do is come to Discord and click on settings, user settings in here. Then you have to go to connections in this side, and here you will find the Reddit icon. Under connect your accounts option, you have to click on Reddit. So this pop-up will come. In here you will all you have to just do is click on allow. Your Reddit account will be connected to your Discord account. So that's how you connect your Reddit account to your Discord account, or vice versa. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.